Call me a basic white girl, but this stuff? Hello everyone, my name is Mina. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome to the video. Wow, 100 subscribers. Thank you. I thought, what can we do for 100 subscribers? This morning we had 88 subscribers. Right now it's over 100. I didn't think it would happen this soon. So in the past few hours, here is what I came up with. This is an anabolic channel, but I haven't made the one dish that started it all, where it all began. So as a tribute to the patron saints of the channel, anabolic French toast in a shape of 100 for 100 subscribers. So a disclaimer, I have never done this before, so you're just gonna watch me do it for the first time ever. So this should be interesting. This is the bread I'm gonna be using. This is the only bread I use. I eat this every day. I have 3 slices, 1 for each number. All right, so let's get the latest number as of right now. Ooh, we have 111. So we're going to cut 1, 1, and 1. Should I cut it like this or like, I think like this? Looks like the knight in chess. I am not good at this. Oh my god, no. Oh, that almost came apart. That's not bad. That is not bad. Alright, we're gonna save these for a later date. Let's make the batter. I'm gonna put the recipe here for the actual whole dish, not just the 3 pieces, obviously. I'm gonna show you what I like to put in my French toast. So, of course, the cinnamon, obviously. But I also like to put some pumpkin pie spice. Call me a basic white girl, but this stuff? Another ingredient I'm gonna put is Vitafiber. This is gonna be my sweetener and also as extra fiber. I know how much to put in here. I make this literally every day. For some reason in every video I forget to show one ingredient on camera. This time it was the vanilla extract. If you're wondering about milk, almond milk, if you want to put in there, I tried with almond milk. I tried without almond milk. It tastes exactly the same. I couldn't really tell a difference, so leave the calories out. Okay, so now that we are here, I am even more skeptical that this is gonna work out, because I mean, look at these things. So get the spring in. We're gonna need to be very gentle with these. Very gentle. Like extremely gentle. This is gonna take some finesse. Alright, because I don't want you to see me screw this up right now. Okay. It's bad enough that they don't look like ones. That's not bad, okay. Oh, this is so delicate. Okay, let's do this one. I don't know if it's ready. I don't know. Oh no. No, it broke off. It's okay, we can make it work. We still got this. I don't know about this one though. This one's looking rough. You gotta be very strategic sometimes. There it is. Got it. We got it. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. These actually look a lot better than I expected them to. Ooh. It's not bad. We're of course not just gonna eat this plain like that, right? You didn't think we're just gonna eat it like this, just with the syrup on it. I mean, we have the syrup, of course, obviously, but we need to give it some pizzazz, spruce it up a bit. I'm gonna start with my favorite fruit, strawberries. You want to put the maple syrup first before the whipped cream so it can get into the French toast. Just a little tip for you. Oh, that's so much better. $111 French toast. Thank you guys for 100 subscribers. This only drives me to make more and more videos. More videos will be coming as soon as I can. Let's eat this. I mean, you can't really go wrong with this. It's really good. I eat this every single day in the morning. Now, I do have a complaint about the portion size, but obviously because I cut them out into numbers, they're pretty small. Usually I have 3 full slices of bread. The pumpkin spice is subtle, but it's there. You taste it. It's like, what's that at the end? It's like, there's something at the end. You're like, I don't know what it is, but I like it. Kind of hoping for the numbers to be a little bit more exciting. That it was like 106 before I made the video. 6 and a 0. It's gonna be cool to make the circles, but it just came out to be 111, which I'm even more thankful for because it's more of you guys, and I want to thank each and every single one of you. It makes a difference every time I see that number go up. So don't think you don't matter. You matter to me. And if this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, welcome. And think about subscribing so you maybe end up on a French toast one day. Who knows? And that is it for me. I'm going to call it a night. If you are one of the 111, let me know that you saw this. Give me a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment, say hi, say whatever. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.